How to find Paysera account number. Here's a step-by-step guide to find your Paysera account number. Firstly, download or launch the Paysera mobile app. Then enter your registered email or phone number and password. On the home screen, tap Accounts or My IBAN option. If you have multiple currencies, choose the one you need. View account details. Your IBAN account number, BIC or SWIFT, and account holder name will be displayed. Tap Copy to copy your Paysera account number directly. You can also log in at Paysera online banking from a browser. Then go to Accounts and Cards and select your account to view IBAN and currency. Generate a PDF statement, which includes your account number. Check your Paysera welcome email. It often contains your main IBAN. If you still can't find it, use in-app chat or call them. Thanks for watching.